Oh my god! Wow!
Hello there. Hello there.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah.
Welcome in, chat. How you guys doing today? Doing a live stream here. Gonna be taking a look at some coins. Looks like someone has already made a contribution. What are we gonna look at here, Kane? It's gonna be 10 per TAs. So I can do T-Fuel, Theta, Cardano, Zill, or VeChain. Let me know. And we can do that TA for you. I'm gonna be looking for you in the chat there. How you guys doing? How you doing on this beautiful day? Man, look at the green. Look at all of this green today. Looking amazing. Bitcoin up 5%. Ethereum up 7% today. Awesome. New Cypher up 5%. Orchid up 6, maybe almost 7%. Look at GRT. 11% today. Where did we go with these coins? Where did we go? Let's check out Bitcoin right now. So you can see on Bitcoin, I have a Fibonacci retracement. We went from our swing high down to the swing low over here. And you can see when we came down, we tried coming up to that 618. That 618 line is a very crucial line to break through if we want to see continued upside. We did it again. We got above over here, making a newer high on this short time frame. We had this high over here, made a bit of a newer high over here. That's good. That's really good. That's exactly what we want to see with Bitcoin. So we're in between right now, the 618 and the 0.5 on our Fibonacci's. Let me go ahead and just make this a little bit shorter. And we're playing around in this area. We're playing around in this area right here, looking really good. The 0.5 being $50,700 holding up as support. We're above it right now. You can see we got the bounce. This is on a 4-hour chart. And we got 2 more hours until this candle closes. But it's looking good. Looking really good in here. I love it. What's up, Kai? Welcome, dude. Thank you for joining. Kane, hello. You want to go ahead and do T-Fuel? Absolutely. Let me add it to the list here. T-Fuel. Definitely. What's up, Argo? Hello. GRT's not over 2, so I'm loving it. Are these the pickup zones? Is this what we're going to be looking for? I don't know. Let's check it out. Let's see. We have Bitcoin playing around this area, looking really good. The ultimate goal for Bitcoin right now is breaking $52,500. That is going to be the area that we need to get above. Get into this area over here, Bitcoin. Once you do that, it's going to be amazing. Once we get above that area and we break above the 786 over here at $55,000, get that retest and go up above. What does that mean, guys? What does that mean after that?
Pussy.
You got it. That's what's going to happen. You're going to be making massive gains. Huge money coming over here after you break this all-time high of $58,359. I am looking for targets to the upside for Bitcoin once we go past that all-time high of $62,000. 64, 67, 83,000, and I kid you not, we're coming up over $100,000. That's my projection for Bitcoin is that we're probably going to be hitting $100,000 before July. I seriously believe that will happen. With having a end of year target of about $280,000 for Bitcoin. Massive news. I read earlier that Goldman Sachs is opening their blockchain desk again. They did this previously back in 2017. And when they did that, they did it at the height. They did it at the top of the market cycle top of Bitcoin. But what did they do? They shorted the market. Those sons of bees, man, they shorted the market, and that's what caused the drop. They just opened up the desk again. Does that mean they're going to short the market? I don't think so. I really do not think so. I think this time around, they're going to be coming in and they're going to be longing it. These people want to make money. We have all these massive people coming into the space. Tesla putting in over $1 billion worth of liquid assets into Bitcoin. You have MicroStrategy getting in as well. You have people like Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful from Shark Tank getting in. Even Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban, one of the sharks over there, he's bullish on Bitcoin, right? But he's even more bullish on DeFi. He's super bullish on DeFi, and that's revolving around Ethereum. Ethereum is it's asleep right now. And because of its gas fees. The gas fees are crazy. We're going to need some kind of improvement protocol to help Ethereum along the ecosystem. So, Bitcoin right now looking really good. Let's take a look at some indicators. Look at our MACD. Look at the relative strength as well. Looking good. Looking really good. Printing green on our MACD, having this upward momentum. Our oscillators moving to the upside. The 12 and 26 day moving averages looking good. Not even overbought. Not even overbought on the RSI. You're sitting at about 59 right now. I expect that to be going up a lot higher as we attempt to break that 618. That 618 definitely. What's up, Jordan? Hey. Welcome. Thank you for coming in. Really appreciate it. So we have a couple of coins that we're going to be taking a look at right now. We're going to be taking a look at T-Fuel. So let's go over here. Let's see T-Fuel. How's everyone doing? How you guys doing today, chat? T-Fuel, let's see. Wow, all I have is Binance and the one calculated by TradingView. Let's see. Oh, this is good data. That's good data. Oh yeah, I love it. Okay. So the nice thing about this is that you guys can request coins and I'll do a TA live for you. Everyone will get to see it. It's a $10 minimum contribution. Holy crap, dude. Look at this thing. Holy crap. That is pretty insane. So if you guys want to see a TA, go ahead. Make that contribution. I really appreciate it. So what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? We need to find out. We need to look at trends. We need to see what kind of Fibonacci's we're working with. We already know back here was the liquidity crisis when that disease hit our earth. And that scared a lot of people. That scared a bunch of people. A lot of people sold that day. It wasn't just crypto, stocks, equities, ETFs, everything. Everything started taking up. But man, look at T-Fuel over here going from 1/10 of a penny all the way up here to 2 cents. That was major. That was major gains back there. 3,000%. That's looking good. That's looking really good. Okay, so we are on a bit of a trend right now. I'm going to go ahead and draw some trend lines. The trend is your friend until the end. Very important. You could do about 80% of your trading just with trend lines and be A-okay. Be really good. Is this some kind of channel that we're in? Very possibly. Very possibly. Let's see if we could pull up some kind of parallel channel right here. Yeah, you could say that. Definitely. Okay, we have that trend. Let's get rid of this trend line over here. Let's see, can we extend it left? How does it work? It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good in this price channel right now for T-Fuel. Let's go right. And let's see these possibilities that can be happening. Yeah, being respected really well. And you can see how it came over here on the heartline. Resistance. 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 When you broke through the heartline, you came up and you hit a resistance over here on that top resistance right there. It even came back down and tested that heartline for support. Great support at that heartline. Being respected. When you fell below, you started making your new supports down here within this price channel. And look where resistance was once again. Right here. Resistance. You came up, you broke through, you even came back and tested it. And right now you're above the heartline. You're actually sitting really high in this channel. Can you break out of this channel? Absolutely. That's something that you're probably going to be wanting to look for, but you also know that you have your supports back here at the heartline and way down here. That's very possible. Where is it going right now? Let's see where we're going to be going. Take a look at indicators. MACD, RSI. Wow, we're really high. And it doesn't look like we're going to be crossing anytime soon. Can we go higher? Let's go to a 4-hour because I want to see where exactly. Okay, so you're having a bit of a cross right now. That's okay. You're having some kind of consolidation pattern that's happening within here. And we're going to dive in deeper to that in just 1 second. But I want to talk about the MACD having your cross right now. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be dropping down in price. Depending on where that triangle is right now, adding our variables up, coming to a conclusion of likelihoods of where we're going to be going with that is very important. So you're not overbought, a lot of room to the upside. I am seeing a bit of weakening, a little bit of a weak RSI. You can see that right here. I don't like that green line. I don't like it. I want my pink. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Can you guys see that? Is that big enough? Let's make it thick. So a little bit of strength that's dropping off. You made a high, made a lower high over here, but check it out. You made your high and then you made a higher high. So your price action moving up as your relative strength is moving down. That might be a little bit of a correction. Nothing huge. Nothing huge. That's okay. Let's come back and let's test that heart line. There's nothing wrong with it. So, okay, let's look at that formation that we have in the middle. Okay, yeah, beautiful triangle. Beautiful triangle taking shape right now. You can draw your resistance line. That is your supply line. And then you have your demand line down here. The demand line is where people are going to be buying. Wow, you're at the apex of that triangle right now. Where is that going to be going? Let's dig in. Let's dig in. So the nice thing about this is you're testing that top resistance, which means it's pretty bullish. You're at the apex of the triangle right now. That's good. A lot of pressure coming up at that supply line. Once you break that supply line and come back for the retest, you're going to be going up. If not, and you break down, let's look at some targets. And this is very simple way of calculating where your targets are going to be is you can simply just go from the top to the bottom right there and take it out over to your breakout. Let's say we have a breakout within the next 2 hours, okay? That is going to take you to about a 15-cent T-Fuel. T-Fuel coming up, you're going to be hitting about, that's a 20% gain. That's nothing to bat at. That's nice. That's really good. What if you broke to the downside? Let's say you had your breakout right here. Well, that's going to take you to about a 10-cent T-Fuel. Where is this thing going right now? Where is this thing going? So we looked at the MACD on a 4-hour, but let's take a look at the MACD, excuse me, on the 1 hour. So really bullish. You have negative momentum moving to the upside. This is kind of a leading indicator to let you know that you're probably going to be having a breakout. Most likely, you're most likely going to be having a breakout to the top. So check out this negative momentum moving to the upside. You're about to have your bullish cross right there. Going to be happening very soon. I bet probably within the next hour and a half, you could be having a breakout. Is that going to allow us to do it on the RSI? You bet you bet so. Look at that. You're at the 54 on the RSI. A lot of room to be moving up. Lots of room to be moving up. But that's interesting. So we went from the 4-hour and we saw this high on the RSI right there and over here. This one is ascending, which is bullish. Pretty bullish. Look at that slant. That's a good slant. That was connecting this high over to this high over here. I'm willing to bet you're going to be getting a breakout to the upside, and you're most likely going to be seeing that 15-cent T-Fuel in the near future. Okay. I like that. That's looking really good. I want to take a Fibonacci. I want to see exactly. You're probably over at the 2618 line right now on a Fibonacci, but let's go ahead and let's check it out. Let's pull up a fib. We're going to go from a swing high down to the swing low. And you are current. Oh, wow. So that's interesting. You're sitting over here at the. Oh, hey, thank you. Mystic Mayhem. Welcome. Hey, welcome back, dude. Thank you for coming to the live stream. I really appreciate it. What coin do you want to take a look at? We have, we're looking at T-Fuel right now. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the top right corner, I put the ticker symbol at the top so you guys can see a lot better on what coin we're looking at. Okay. So after T-Fuel, we're going to be looking at E and J, and then Mystic Mayhem. Go ahead and let me know what coin you want to see. When you guys are going to be making your contributions, I really appreciate it, but please put the coin within the comment section of that contribution so I know what we're going to be looking at. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Okay. So you're in this Fibonacci, and this Fibonacci is beautiful. It's playing out really well. You came up, you had your swing high down to the swing low over here, and you even came up and you tested the 618. That's bullish. That's really bullish. You came down, you hit that support at the 236, and you're coming right back up. And look, you blew through the 618, even came up to the 617. That's really good. And ever since that happened, you came down and you tested this support. We know that was support back here. It was resistance all throughout back here. When you got that confirmation, when you came back to the 0.5 line, you took off. You took off, and look what you even did. You blew through the 786, you came back for the retest, and you're gone. And right now, you're putting in that consolidation pattern, looking really bullish. Where's that 15-cent line? That 15-cent line that we were talking about with that breakout target out of this symmetrical triangle that we have right here is going to be coming up to the 1618. That's the resistance that we have in this parallel channel as well, this yellow line right there. Can we get above it? Can we break above it? Breaking above it would be massively bullish. You would be breaking out of a pattern, turning that resistance into supports, and it's going to be looking really good. This is an amazing project with T-Fuel and Theta. I believe Theta is T-Fuel is a token of Theta. So, I'm sorry, Theta is the main blockchain for T-Fuel, which T-Fuel is the token. That was confusing. Sorry, kind of confused you guys there. So, let's see. Mystic Mayhem. Yo, Leland, not sure what you did to Cosmos Atom yet, but please do a TA on that. Much love. Cosmos Atom. Cosmos Atom. Is that a Cosmos to Atom pair? Or are we going to be looking at Cosmos? Is that the same thing, Cosmos and Atom? I'm not really sure. I'm going to add it to the list over here. Let me know. Excuse me. Let me know. I'm not really sure. I don't know all the coins. I wish I did. Guys, there's tens of thousands of coins. It's absolutely insane how many coins there are. So, you're looking really good. You're being held down by the golden mean ratio right there. That's 13.5 cents. That's going to be an area of resistance that we're going to want to get above. But you already know when we break out of that formation, we're going to 15 cents. That's going to be the next area of resistance. Break out of 15 cents in this top resistance in this parallel channel right there, and you're going to be coming up to 21 cents. After 21 cents, 33 cents. These are the targets I'm going to be looking for. That's going to be massively bullish if you can go ahead and turn this parallel channel, this resistance, into a support. Expect to have resistance at the 2618. That's going to be a huge area of resistance, but that's a big jump. 15 cents to 21 cents within that area. Let's say we move from here to there. That's 37% all day. That's money. That's a lot of money. Okay. T-Fuel looking really good right now. Areas of support that you're going to want to look for below. You could see that we're holding up this previous all-time high. We have this all-time high back here. It's being held up as support as it should. That's really good. Looking really bullish. Looking very bullish. You do not want to go below 12 cents, 11 cents on here. If you get that breakdown of that pattern over there, you're going to be coming down. You're going to be hitting that 10-cent area. That is okay. I'm not bearish at it at all. If you come back and you test the 718, because you got the breakout, yeah, you had some of these little bit of tests over here, but if it came back down and tested that 10 cents, not financial advice. I want you guys to remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please make your own decisions, and it'll be all good. So hold that area for supports. I'm sorry, hold the area of support right there at the 10 cents. You're going to be looking really good. That could be a pickup area. That's where I would buy. That's personally where I would buy. Break below 10.5 cents, 10-cent area, and it's going to be looking kind of ugly. You probably will be coming down and you'll be testing this median over here. That's going to be a very important area. You want to make sure that you don't get below that median. We're looking to get above that resistance right now. Looking to get above this resistance, get that resumption off to be going up much higher. Looking pretty good. Okay, we have our resistances. We have our supports, areas that we know where we don't want to go. Looking good. I really like it. Let's see. Mystic, Cosmos, Atom, same thing. Okay, cool. Awesome. I'll look up, we'll take a look at that in just 1 second. So, we got Lazik. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the chat, man. Really appreciate you coming by. Very awesome. So, this is looking really bullish. I'm really liking the way T-Fuel is looking right now. We're in this massive uptrend with T-Fuel, and we're above that heart line right now. Looking really good. Those are our areas. Let's watch it. Are we getting a breakout right now? You're trying. You really are trying. Let me see. Yeah, it's going to be really close. I want to keep this up here. We're going to come take a look at it in just a little bit. We'll probably break out during this live stream. Most likely. E&J having a crazy day. Past few days, E&J has been having a massive uptrend. E&J, here we go. Boom, my gosh. Hey, look at that. You came up and you hit your resistant level over here at the 2618. $1.26. We talked about E&J. We talked about this a while ago. We had charted it, and we talked about after you break over here, that 1618. You come back, you tested that support, that was 79 cents. Let's just say 80 cents. 80 cents being that resistance / support. You broke it, and I said, after you did that, you're going to be going straight up the 2618. $1.26. Looking really good. Looking very good. Okay, it looks like you're taking a bit of a cool down right now. Let's go to a 4-hour. I want to see exactly what's going to be happening within over here. Oh, yeah. This is a long one. This is a very big Fibonacci. Let's go to a daily so you guys can see just how big this Fibonacci is. Being respected very well. I'm very comfortable with charting this for E&J. You might be overbought. You might be overbought right now, but we need to make sure that we can try to break through the 2618s. Did that thing go off? Did the alert go off? We got Daniel. Hey, man, thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. Hope you're doing good. Would love a TA on BNT. Today has been explosive. You got it, bro. You got it. Adding it to the list. We're taking a look at E&J. We have Cosmos, and then BNT will be next right after that. Thank you for everyone coming in here. Really appreciate it.
Hello there.
So, where are we going right now? What's happening? I need to go look at some indicators. I need to find out, are we overbought? Yeah, we're overbought. We are overbought right now. You just hit your resistance. You hit a major resistance. You just had these massive pumps, and you're probably going to be taking a cool down. Look at your MACD. Really green on the on the histogram over here. I wouldn't be surprised. This is a lagging indicator. When you get your cross, you get your bearish cross over here and you start taking a little bit of a break. You're probably going to be playing in this range over here for a little bit. I mean, after you broke those all-time highs and you came back and you tested it right there at 50 cents, you've been gone. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. 175% since, what day was that? February 28th? Guys, that's crazy. This thing needs to cool down for a little bit. Not saying that it can't go higher. It definitely could go higher. But from what I'm seeing, you're overbought. You're overbought on the RSI. And every time you came up to this level on the RSI, what happened? Every time. Look at this. These two tops over here, you almost hit it over here and you had a correction. You hit it over here, you had a correction. You came over here and you had a correction. But look at the levels that you came down to. You came down to the 30 level. 30. 30. 30. This one's over at the 30 as well. Well, really close. That's 40. Nevertheless, it might be time for ENJ to take a bit of a cooldown. Take a bit of a cooldown, and you're going to be holding that support over here at 80 cents. Yes, it could drop that low. I don't expect it to be dropping 37% right off the bat. Probably not today or tomorrow, but you're probably putting in some kind of consolidation pattern right now. And what does that look like? What does that look like? Let's see what it's doing. Wow. Okay. Lot of selling pressure. Lots of selling pressure. We're looking at a 1 hour chart right now. I typically don't like to look at the 1 hour, but I want to zoom in to see what exactly is going on. So you have that selling pressure. Look at this wick. Look at that wick right there. A lot of selling going on right there. And people kept buying it up. They kept buying it up and it went up and it hit that resistance again. It got rejected. It's getting rejected, putting in some kind of consolidation pattern. I'm sure if you zoomed in even more, heck, why not? Let's go take a look. Just to tickle me pink here. So yeah, you're being held down by that 2618 right now. Let's cool off a little bit. Let's come down just a little bit before we have a resumption off. Let me see if I can find any supports for you. No, I don't. These are all-time highs. You're kind of in outer space right now. Not a whole lot of support that I can see. You might have some support down here. We're looking at about 95. Oh, you know what? That would be very appropriate. Coming back down to $1, that was a psychological resistance. And when you broke that psychological resistance, you went straight up to the 2618 at $1.26. That's going to be an area of support. Definitely. Definitely be looking for that area of support. You don't want to break $1. You can, and that's okay. I have no problem with it going down and breaking $1. Come test the top of this 1618, and I'm totally cool. Totally cool with that. I don't really want to drop below 80 cents on ENJ. I really don't want to. What's up, Sean? Hey, how you doing? Thank you, man. I really appreciate you for being here. Thank you. Thank you so much. DJ, what's up? Hello. How are you? Marcus, hi. Thank you. Would you like, or would like, if you could, do either LRC, BAT, KNC. Those are all really good projects. If you would like to see a TA, it's a $10 minimum contribution. You can do that in a form of a super chat or a super sticker. It's going to be in the chat box, the bottom left corner. You'll see a smiley face and then a money sign. You click on that money sign and you'll be able to do that. Okay, ENJ. Looking good. You're a bit overbought. You're overbought. We're looking to cool down right now. You're hitting massive resistance. I don't expect you to be breaking through that resistance. It's possible. Very possible. Not probable. Not probable at all. Heavy area of resistance. Let's come back down. Let's put in some kind of consolidation pattern. Let's test this $1. We want to make sure that is a solid support before we take off and try to come through $1.26. Looking good. Okay, we have our targets. We have our supports. Looking really good. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at Cosmos or Atom. I think I have Atom down here. I believe we took a look at Atom. It was a while. Yep, we did. We took a look at Atom. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since I've looked at it, but it's looking really good. Holy crap, look like you're having a breakout right now. You were having a breakout. Let's go to a daily. And let's go ahead and take a look at, yeah. 1 second. Who else is in here? Who else have we got in here? Oh, whoops. I just lost my chat. 1 second here. Where's my chat? Where'd my chat go? Oh, there it is. Okay. I was like, it disappeared. It disappeared on me. I want to be able to see what you guys are saying. Midwest, hello. What's up? How you doing? Welcome. Thanks for coming in, man. Really appreciate you being here. Okay, so we're looking at Atom. Looking at Atom right now, you are being held down. I can't believe it came all the way up here. It hit it perfectly. Hit the 4618 on our Fibonacci sequences, took a bit of a dip, and then look where your support was. Your support right there at the 2618, that was 17 cents. About 17 cents. Resistance at 20, I'm sorry, cents. Ha! Dollars. We're looking at $17. $27 over here. All these coins are in cents, and then it's really hard to go over to the ones that are in dollars, but you're having a breakout literally right now. You're up 14% on the day, looking really good. It looks like you did have a breakout. Let's look at that area real quick. Where was that area? We could take a simple trend line. Simple trend line right there. I love it. Look at that. You had your resistance all throughout here. You broke through, you came back, you tested it, and you're taking off. Where is it going to be going? Wow, we can actually do a measured move on this. We could probably take that right about, yep, right there. Holy crap, guys, look at this. I'm going to make a new Fibonacci on this because I think we have new levels that we could be looking to the upside. Very important levels to be taking a look at. Simple move, measured move from here down to about right there. You take it to the breakout. You take it to where it broke out. This was the breakout right there. Yep, new all-time highs. $31 is the target that I'm looking for, Atom, right now. You're sitting at 21 bucks. You just got the confirmation, and if it were me and I saw that we got the confirmation and we made a newer high over here after all this resistance all throughout back here, personally, I want to go take a look at this, and I'm probably going to be buying this. I probably will buy this because of that target that we have, that breakout target, taking it right now in a position all the way to the top. That's 46% all day. That's money. That is money. We don't even have to look at MACD or RSI, but let's go ahead. Anyways, let's look at it anyways. Let's take a look at it on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, look at this. Negative momentum to the upside. This was a huge indicator telling you where we were going to be going. I mean, even within the pattern, it was telling you we're having negative momentum moving to the upside. That's massively bullish. Massively bullish. And then when you came back and you have this cross right here between the 12 and 26 day moving average, you're going up. You're going up, looking really good. And the nice thing is, the massively nice thing, look at this. You're not overbought, not even a little bit. You're sitting at the 64 right now in your RSI. That's, excuse me, that's huge. That's huge. A lot of room to the upside. Okay, so we know we have a target of 31 bucks, about $31.50 around that area. Breaking through $30 is going to be a psychological resistance in itself, so probably be looking for resistance at 30 bucks. Let's get rid of all this. I want to see, can we draw a new fib? Can we draw a new fib? Where is this? Yeah, right here. Swing high to the swing low. Right there. Oh yeah, look at that. You're approaching your 1618. We're looking at a 4 hour chart here, looking at Atom / Cosmos. Same diff, same. You're coming up here, and wow, you just broke through that 0.5 resistance. You can see that was resistance back here, resistance all throughout here. It tried so many times to get above, it couldn't do it. Huge support back here. You just broke into that. You probably will have a little bit of a pullback coming back down to that $20 in the short term before you can come up and get through that $22 area, which is the 618 on our Fibonacci retracement. Break through, which we already have our target breakout. So this is what we're going to be looking at. Turn that into support, get above to the 786 over here on the Fibonacci, turn that in support, and you're gone. Where's that 31 cents? I'm sorry, $31. Dollars. Come on, guys. $31 is the 1414 Fibonacci sequence, and that's going to be a massive area of resistance. Even over here at the golden mean ratio, your golden mean ratio is always resistance within a Fibonacci, but you're coming up here. It's looking really bullish, looking really good. Now, if you cannot break through the 618, you're going to be getting rejected, and like I said, be coming back down to the $20 area. If you break below that $20 area, you're going to be coming down to the 382 over here at 1945. You really do not want to get below over here 15 cents. Do not get below 15 cents. If you do get below 15 cents you're going to want nothing to do with it. You're going to be saying, bruh, you're going to get out. It's not going to be looking good, but that's not what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing a lot of variables telling me that we're having moves to the upside for Atom. Yeah, what's up, Nunya? Thank you, sir. Really appreciate that 10. Conflux. Absolutely. Going to add it to the list right now. Currently, we're taking a look at Cosmos. Next, we have BNT. And then after that, we're going to be taking a look at CFX. You got it, my friend. Thank you for the 10. So, Cosmos. Looking good. I like it. Looking really bullish. We're looking very bullish. Okay, that's what I got. That's what I got for you. What's up, chat? Pander Videography? Hello. How you doing?
Hello there.
What else we got here? Life. Zill looks better. There's a lot of coins. A lot of coins who have a lot of more potential upside than others. That doesn't make them bad. It doesn't make them bad at all. They just do different things. Market caps are bigger. They're smaller. The smaller ones get more pumps. The bigger ones don't move as much. They just don't move as much. What's up, Argo? Hello. Loving the soundboard, Leland. Hey, thank you, man. I figured I tried something new today and see where it gets me. I don't know. But we'll see. Okay. Oh, Lucas, hello. Welcome. Thank you for the 10 there, Lucas. Really appreciate it. Can you review Nim? Yeah. You got it, man. We just got done looking at Atom. Going to go to BNT next. CSF, and then we'll take a look at M. So, let's move on. Let's move on. BNT, yeah. BNT was there it is. Thank you. BNT having a massively good week. Where's my BNT? Somewhere in here. Boom. 20% on the day. Oh, wow. Yeah, we charted this a while ago. You know what? And we were, you know where we were in this structure? Way back here when I charted it. I remember saying that when you were going to break this high over here, was that all-time high? Yeah, that was an all-time high. When you broke that all-time high, we were talking about on Bancor, expect to double. That was $3.74. $3.74. You had a 100% measured move to the upside, which was about $7.52. You're falling a little short right now, but you're being held down by that 4618. We actually have a new Fibonacci that we can put in place, and we're going to take a look at that right now. But you can see on this current Fibonacci, you're being held down at that 4618. That's crazy. That's massive. You hit your goals. You hit your goals, and you even came back. You came back hard, and this was that big drop with Bitcoin. And then when you broke out of that resistance right here, resistance, you broke out of it. That was it. You're gone. You're gone. Are you above it right now? You are above it. Let's dig in. You're holding above it right now, but barely. Barely. Where are you on the 4 hour? Let's go ahead and take a look at the MACD and the RSI. Yeah, you had your cross down here. You know that you were moving up. You had your negative momentum moving to the upside on your histogram right there. Looking good. Looking good. This is why you have this massive move. You had a leading indicator over here telling you, hey, we're going to be moving to the upside. That's massive. It's a massive leading indicator. You're a bit overbought right now. Not much. You know you can run this thing hot. You can probably run this thing all the way to the 90 on the RSI. Totally cool. And you've done that in the past multiple times. But when you come up to the 90, you have a pullback right here. You're at the 90, boom, pullback. Look at all these times over here, really close to the 90, pullback, 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 pullback. We know that to be a good area. Look at this one. Huge area. Big pullback, went all the way back down to the 30. That is your pickup zone. That is where you want to buy. The strength is low. And every time you come down to the 30, you're close to being underbought. I'm sorry, underbought. Oversold. It's oversold. The terminology is oversold. So, you have more room to the upside. Where are you going? Where are you going? We have new data. We have a new Fibonacci that we can put in place. Let's take a look. We go from our swing high down to our swing low, right there. And you're testing those all-time highs again. But the massively bullish thing about this is when you hit your top over here, you came down and you tested the 236 as support. That was a support back here. Really good support. You even came up and you hit that 618. Bullish. Really bullish. You got denied. You got denied really hard, making this new low over here. And when you broke this trend, when you broke that trend right there and all that resistance, you broke to the upside. You broke to the upside. You have not had a retest of the 786. If you get rejected over here at all-time highs, that's okay. I'm fine with it. Come back, get that retest. Whether it's going to be at $6.50 or $6.28, these are the areas that I'm going to be looking for if we come down for a little bit of a cool down. Like I said, you are slightly overbought. That might happen. You might come down on your RSI for the short term before having that resumption off and trying to go up to that 90 where you become overbought and you're going to be hitting your targets to the upside. But being the fact that you broke through the 618 and 786, you're going up. You're going up. And the targets that I'm looking for on this Fibonacci right now, and I kid you not, just like with all of the other coins that I was showing you, when we break through that area and we break all-time highs, expect to double. Expect to double. And that's exactly where we're going to be going. We're going to be coming up and hitting $7.43, $7.77, $8.26, and then $10.63. Guys, alt season is just starting. A lot of people are saying, oh, alt season's over. No, we had our first pump. Initially, we pumped. We're taking a cool down. That's fine. That's good. Bitcoin's moving sideways. Hey, Mystic Mayhem, my brother, how you doing? Hey, thank you. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. We're going to be taking a look at Orchid. I love Orchid. It's been a while since we've taken a look at Orchid. That's my jam. So, those are our targets. We have our supports. We are a little bit overbought right now. Don't be surprised if we come down and test $6.50. Test $6.28. No problem. No problem. I have no problem with that. Get below the 786 over here and you start dropping down to the 618. Ugh, it's not going to be looking as good. That's a pretty big drop. Currently from where you are right now, if you were to drop all the way down to the 618, you're looking at about a 10% drop. Not too bad, but that wouldn't be looking too good on the charts. Let's hold those supports and let's double. Let's go up. Let's come up and let's test. Or was it where is double actually after all-time highs? All-time highs, so we have $1.80. I'm sorry, $6.80. 100% measured move to the top. Expect to double $13.63. This is the area that you're going to be playing around in. That's a lot of gains away, guys. That's a lot of the gains away from here up to that level. Yeah, you're looking at doubling your profile. So, Bancor, looking pretty good for the long term. On the short term, maybe a little bit of a pullback. We have our supports, we have our targets, and there we go. Looking really good. What's up, James? Alpha Finance Lab. If you guys don't know about Alpha Finance, I released a video this morning. After the live stream, go watch that video. It's only 10 minutes long. That is a strong token. That token is insane. Just go check out the structure. Go check it out. Thank you for coming by. Is that Anjictina? Hello? How you doing? Let's see. Coinbase had an all-time high nearly $24 on BNT. Did it really? This chart isn't showing that. And you know what? I wish I had more data that showed me that. I don't see that on this coin. This is Binance. Either way, we have our targets. We're moving to the upside. What do we got going on with CFX? Okay, this is all I got. I got one chart and I'm hoping it's good. I really am hoping it's good. I hope it's a good chart. Ouch. Is this a new coin? This has to be a new coin. No way. It's not on any other exchanges. This is it. Who requested this coin? CFX. Hey, Nunya. This, I just want to show you guys that when you bring me charts like this, I can't do anything with it. I can't do anything with. There's no data. There's barely any data. When was this released? Today? Is this a new coin literally today? Either way, I only have one chart and I will not be able to chart this. There's nothing I can do for you on this. I'm really sorry. Really sorry about that. If you want, Nunya, go ahead and let me know. I'm going to go ahead and make a note right here. Nunya needs to choose again. Let me know what other coin you want to take a look at because I can't chart this. Very sorry. I wish I could. I really wish I could. Okay, let's go back down. Kevin, hey, what's up? TA on graph, please. Yes, we can definitely do that. It's a $10 minimum contribution in a form of a super chat or a super sticker, and we can take a look at the graph. We definitely good. Although I do have, let's see, NMI. Man, I've never heard of that. Doesn't mean it's bad. Could be very good. Look at that. Got a lot of exchanges on, oh, it's NIM. My bad. KuCoin and HitBix. Tether. Let's look at it in Tether. We have the one calculated by TradingView. These are the only charts I have. Going to be the only charts I have. Okay. I can work with this. Looking really good. Let's go to a weekly. Gosh, you kidding me? Wow. Look at this thing. It's spanking new. September 2020. I can work with that. I can do that. No, let's see. Nunya says no. This is on Moonswap Dex. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't have anything on it at all. I just looked it up. I did a search on it, and TradingView doesn't have anything on it. If TradingView doesn't have it, I can't chart it. I can't chart it. I'm sorry. Very sorry about that. If you would like, please pick another coin for sure. Okay, so we're moving on. We're going over to NIM or NIM. Never heard of this coin. That's very interesting. Whoa, that's more data. I like this. I like this chart. Okay, wow. Okay, first thing I'm seeing here. First thing I'm seeing, this thing really likes to move its momentum. You have these highs and you move your momentum to the upside, and it couldn't quite do it over here. You had your double bottom, huge double bottom over here. That's a W. W for win. You see a formation like that? That kind of pattern lets you know that we're going to be going to the upside. Your all-time high over here was at 1 cent. Oh my gosh, this thing is crazy. What was the move? What was the move from down here to up there? 4,000%. Get out of here. That is nuts. Can you imagine putting $100 in here and going up 4,000%? That's easy money. Easy money all day. I want to go to a daily. I want to make a fib. This is what I want to see right now. Wow, look at these retests. I can already just see it without the fib. These retests are beautiful. Oh, wow, you're coming up to the 618. You're coming up to the 618 looking really good. You have this massive shift of momentum. Massive shift of momentum. You're moving to the upside. When you did that, you came over here and you tested the 0.5, which was 3/4 of a penny. About 3/4 of a penny. You got denied. You came back and you tested the 236 over here at half a penny. Half a penny was your support. You came up, and look what you're trying to do right now. You're trying to break through that 618. Or I'm sorry, yeah, the 618. Trying to break through that 618. It's looking good. It has the strength. You have a trend over here that is your friend. You have a nice trend. Looking really good. I think at the very latest, by the end of March, which it's probably going to be happening before that, but by the end of March, you're going to be breaking that 618. Guaranteed. Break below and drop through this trend and you're going to be going down. That wouldn't be good. That would not be good. That doesn't mean it's over. You could come up here and you could try to break through the 618. That's going to be a massive area of resistance. But getting above that, guys, you already know. You already know. We're going to talk about that in a second. But the potential downside, let's say you break this trend. Let's say you can't hold it. You're going to be coming down to the 236 line over here, which is about half a penny. Half a penny. Drop below your half a penny, and honestly, this is what you're going to want to do.
Run.
Get out of there. You're not going to want anything to do with it. That's very bearish at that point, and you're going to want nothing to do with it. I don't see that right now. Let's see where it's going to be going. Possibly. Oh my God. Yes. Look at this negative momentum to the upside. You're getting your bullish cross right now. I'm expecting you're probably going to be breaking that 618. Look at this negative momentum moving to the upside. That's bullish. Massively bullish. Looking really good. You got your cross between the 12 and 26 day moving averages on your oscillators. Yeah, you're probably going to be breaking that 1 cent area. That's going to be a massive area of psychological resistance. You did it in the past. You did it in the past over here. And it was too much. Everyone started to sell once you went over that dollar. You sold at that, or everyone sold at this dollar, and that's why you got rejected. You're having another attempt at it right now. And you're having massive levels of volume moving to the upside. And I'm very curious just to see where that volume is. We're looking at a 4 hour. Yeah, look at your volume. See how it's very sparse? Very sparse. You came down real low over here, and then now you're picking it up. You're picking it up. Good volume, Nice trend. You have negative momentum moving to the upside on your MACD. You're not overbought at all. And you know what? That's some kind of formation. I want to dig in further. I just want to see. Yeah, you have that resistance. Get out of here. What are you doing? Yes, you had some kind of consolidation pattern right here. And you even came back for the retest, which is really nice. And coincidentally, that follows this bottom trend line right here. Resistance line right here. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. You came to the apex, 74% way through the triangle. That's bullish. You had a breakout. You came back down for the retest, and now you're coming out. Can we do a measured move on that? Where's that going to take us? Absolutely. All of these are having these breakouts right now. It's really insane. This is why I was talking about last week. Where are you guys going to be taking your positions? Where are you going to be taking your positions? Okay, we take it to the breakout. Where does that take us? Into the 618 and 786. Your breakout target is over 1 penny, which is doing really good. And the fact that you're going to be coming into the 618 and 786 is really bullish. Really, really bullish. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's talk about upside. Let's talk about potential upside and where you could be going. When you break that 1 cent over here and you come back and you test that 618, you're going to be coming up very close to 1 penny, 1 1/10 of a penny. This is so hard to, the measurements are kind of hard to talk about on here, but the 718 over here, when you get to 011, you're going to want to so break through the 618, come back, test it, and you're going to be playing around in this area for a while. When you come up and you break the 718, which is 1 penny and 1/10 of a penny, you're done. You're going off. You're probably going to be going to 2 cents really quick. That's the 1618 over here. That's 100% measured move. Double your portfolio right there, just with this coin. But that's not it. That's not all. Next, after 2 cents, when you come up, expect this to be resistance. Your 1618 is going to be an area of resistance, but after you test that as support, you're done. You're gone. You're going to be going up, and you're going to be hitting 3 cents and then 5 cents. That's no joke. Looking really good. I'm really liking the structure of this coin. I've never heard of it, but I like it. I'm really curious to where you can get it. I think Binance. What did it say? There was Binance. KuCoin. Oh, even better. A lot of people can get this coin. A lot of people can't get coins on Binance just because of like US regulation restrictions and whatnot. Let me get a drink of water. Okay. Hey, I haven't been looking at the chat. So Nunya, did you tell me, okay, can you do Moon swap? Moon, if they don't have it, then just save it for my tea for another day. Okay. Okay. That's what we will do next. I'm going to look up Moon. That's an appropriate name for a coin, isn't it? I think so. If you're enjoying this content right now, hit that like button. We got 68 people in the chat right now. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming by. What's up, Jim? Hello. What's up? How you doing, bro? Welcome. What's up, Life Solutions? I need some Life Solutions. You got any advice for me? I really appreciate that. Anyone who has just joined, if you want to take a look at a coin, it's $10 minimum contribution. You could do it in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. Read the description below. So, we have our targets. We have our supports. We know where we're going. Looking really good. I like it. I really do like it. Okay, moving on. We're going to be doing Nunya's next, just because we didn't get to do his before. We've taken a look at T-Fuel, ENJ, Cosmos, BNT, NIM, and then now we're going to be looking at Moon, and then Orchid is next. Orchid is, oh, and hey, what's going on, man? Cardano? Dude, Cardano is a heck of a project, man. It's so hot. Ooh, it's so hot. I love it. I really do. I forgot what I was doing. Oh, yeah. That's right. Moon. Tether. And we have wrapped in Ether. Nope, don't want to look at that. And then we have the one calculated by TradingView. Absolutely. Let's take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Is this, oh wait, this is Black Moon. That can't be right. Is this right? Black Moon? What? No, there's no way. There's no way. Hey, what's up, Lucas? That's what I'm talking about, brother. I really appreciate that 10. Thank you for the 10. He says, NIM is nice. First project doing a crypto non-fiat, non-custodial, oh my God. On-ramp partners with a fully regulated German bank. What? That is crazy. Also, soon, the fastest single chain with NIM 2.0. What is that? I don't even know. Lucas, did you want to take a look at a coin? Thank you for the 10. I really appreciate that, but we can take a look at a coin if you want to, brother. We just looked at NIM. But yeah, I mean, you guys can donate to the channel. It's gonna help me get a camera, set up a studio. I want to get a camera. I want you guys to be able to see my beautiful face. It's not that beautiful. I'm sorry, but that's what all these contributions are going to be helping me doing. I just started 2 months ago, guys. I started 2 months ago. This is brand new to me. It's all new. I'm still learning. Is this Moon? What is this? There's no way. There's no way you want to look at this. Moon wrapped in Tether. I guarantee you don't want to see it wrapped in Tether. But that's all I have. Hey, who requested Moon? Let's go take a look at that real quick. We have... Oh, wait, that was... Man, you love to... Oh, that was Nunya. Nunya, you love to ask for coins that are just... Are these new coins, new projects? Like, what are we looking at here, man? I got nothing on these coins for you. You got... No, see, it's Moonswap, not Black Moon. I'll type in Moonswap. I'll type it in. Moon swap. Dude. I got nothing for you, man. Nunya, I'm so sorry, dude. Are these new coins? Are these new projects? Are they not listed? Like, what's going on here? I don't know. I got nothing for you, man. I'm really sorry. You're gonna have to choose another coin. Or like you said, we can save it for another day. I'll definitely put that in the notes. So, I'm sorry, but we have to move on. We have to move on. We have to go look at Orchid. We tried, man. I tried looking at both for you. I can't find them, man. I'm so sorry. I feel terrible. I feel absolutely terrible. So here's Orchid. Here's Orchid right now. What's up, Jim? Oh, he said, Jim said, the ask for mooning was about the possibility for Moonswap. I don't know what you're saying. That doesn't compute. Portal Mind, hello. Leland, what kind of camera do you want? Just dude, a camera. You know, at least it's got to be HD. It's got to be HD so you guys can see my face properly. But yeah, I want a camera. I can totally support it. I just got this. No way! Bro, are you kidding me? No.
Oh my god! Wow!
Bruh.
You're $100, dude? You're kidding me right now. Search for NIM Oasis. $62 million market cap for now, and a tip to buy your camera. Get out of here. Hype in the chat, guys. That is insane. That is insane. I cannot believe. You know what? You know what that deserves? Wow. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. I can't believe that. I'm so shocked. Okay, I have to stop. Wow. I'm absolutely blown away right now. So he wants me to search for NIM Oasis. Okay. Yes, we were going to do that. We're going to take a look at Orchid, and I'm going to add it to the list. NIMIQ Oasis. Okay. Oh, I put min. M-I-N-N. There we go. Got it. Oh, I'm blown away right now. I cannot believe that. That's absolutely insane. Hey, John, what's up, man? Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. Tristan, hello. How are you? So, okay, I have to gather myself after that. That's the biggest contribution I've ever got, and we haven't even been doing it this long. Blown away right now. I cannot believe it. Okay, you guys are here to see TAs, and I mean, I'm here to deliver. Orchid, looking really good. Look what's happening. Let's go to a 4-hour. Look what's happening with this momentum over here. Actually, look better on the daily. Looked better on the daily. Look at this momentum shifting. Look at this momentum shifting. You were having this downtrend, and now you're making this cup. That's good. That's really good. I personally have Orchid. This is probably my biggest altcoin that I have right now because of the potential, because of the massive potential that it has right now. So look what you did. You came up after you hit you had your swing high down to your swing low over here. You came over here and you came up to the 618. You hit not once, but you hit it twice. You hit that 618 and then you got rejected, but that was because of Bitcoin. We know that. Bitcoin did it to us. It came in, it came down, and you were holding the support nicely, but it looks like you made a new support over here. So I'm going to add that nice support. Was that respected in the past? Kinda back here, a little bit. With these wicks, you can see that they were being held up as support right there. Held up as support, you broke down, and oh yeah, you came up, tested it for resistance, you got above it, couldn't hold it, and then you came back down. So that's an area of support, new area of support. Doesn't have to be a part of the Fibonacci, but right now we are looking to break, and let's go to a 4 hour, you're looking to break that 50 cent area. You're looking to break this 50 cent area, and when you get above 50 cents, you're going to 60 cents. Flat out, plain and simple. Turn it into support, come up to 60 cents, you're going to be looking really good. After that 60 cents, you guys already know, we need to come up here and we need to break that 618. Break that 618, that's going to be 70 cents, and you're going to be looking really bullish. This is already looking massively bullish, and you can see that we're on a trend here. I can see this with the naked eye, about right there. Yep. Tighten it up. Tight. Tight, tight, tight. You guys remember Tuco? Tuco from Breaking Bad, you guys ever see that? When he takes the Walter's meth that he cooked, he snorts it. Tight, 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 tight. Guys, I love that character so much. But anyways, you're holding a trend. You're holding that trend really nicely. I think at the latest, by the end of this month, you're going to be coming up at the latest, guys. This had probably happened before. But by the end of the month, we're looking at about the 20th of March. If you hold this trend the way you have been, you can get above and you're going to be hitting that 60 cent area. That's no joke. From there up to there, that's 20%. That's a little low, not much of a move, but I think it's going to go a lot higher, much higher than that. I think we can break through that 60 cent area before we come up and test 61 or 70 cents. Where are we going? What are we doing right now? What are you doing, Orchid? Let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that negative momentum. Look at the RSI, not even overbought, looking beautiful. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Definitely, for sure. What's up, Daniel? How you doing? Joe! Hey, Joe, how you doing? How you doing, Joe? Mike. Hey, Mikey. How you doing? Would love to see a TA, a vet, please. Hey, you got it, man. You got it. Read the description, and we can totally do that. We can totally do that. Okay. Look at this negative momentum that you had before. It's not exactly playing out. What's holding Orchid back right now? You have a lot of selling going on at that 50 cent area. People are selling it. Look at negative momentum moving to the upside, and it's not having the volume. It's not having that momentum to break it up. I think that's because of Bitcoin. I really do believe that's because of Bitcoin. It's been stealing the show away from a lot of these altcoins. Some are popping and some are not popping. But nevertheless, Orchid is still shifting in that momentum. Look at this double. Ooh, you know what? I just saw that. We have a W. W formation, W for win, double bottom over here, testing that demand line. That is an area of support, massive support, and you're getting the resumption off right now. I think it's recovering. I think it's recovering after we just had this massive move to the downside. That move was no joke, guys. That was a 43% drop. Ooh, imagine waking up and your portfolio just cut in half right there. So it's having its recovery. It's taking its time. We need to be patient with Orchid. You're not overbought. You are definitely not overbought right now. You have a lot of room to the upside, but you have to turn 50 cents into support. Turn that into support. If not, let's say that does not happen. Where are you going? Well, that wouldn't be good, okay? Because we've had this trend all the way back here, January 27th. We're talking about over a month worth of supports. You had your double top. It came down. It consolidated, and now we're moving back to the upside. If you drop down and you drop down below 44, 45 cents, 45 cents is going to be an area of, so did I move that line? Wait a minute. That's not right. That can't be right. Right there. That's the line. That's line. 42 cents. 42 cents is going to be your area of support. If you break this trend right here, and you come back down to that 42 cents, you better hope that you can break back above it. If not, and you go lower and you touch 38 cents and you break below 38 cents, you're done. You're going to want to get out. Why do I say that? Because that has been a massive area of resistance back here in the past. We flipped it into support. If you go down below 38 cents on Orchid, you're done. You have to get out. We're making decisions based off of cold, calculated, and robotic decisions. We're not making decisions based off of emotion. If you make your decisions based off of how you feel, you're going to lose. You're going to lose every single time. It is important that you have a plan. You have an entry and you have an exit. Having these entries and exits are going to help you be a better trader. And you guys can learn about that in my book. I have a book down below. If you guys want to start feeling more confident, more comfortable within your trades, learn the TA. Learn how I do the TA. What was that? Oh, hey, thank you so much. RP & Co. Hey, dude, welcome back, man. I love you. This guy's always around. Dude, he's in the Telegram. He's in the Discord. He's in all of my live streams. I really appreciate your support, man. I really appreciate that. Yeah, NMR, adding it to the list. Adding it to the list right now. Thank you so much for the 10 or the 12, bro. Really appreciate that. As I was saying, go buy my book. It's on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Target. I'm located globally. It doesn't matter what country you're in, you can buy my book. For the cost of lunch, it's $12.95. $12.95. I made it cheap on purpose. I'm not trying to gouge you guys. I'm really not. I want to help. That's why I do this. This is why I do the TA. I want you guys to learn. I want people in the crypto space to be informed. I want them to make logical decisions. Because right now we have a lot of people in the crypto space who just go based off of emotion. They see something pump and they're like, man, that went up really high. I'm going to get in. And then you take a dump. So learn the TA. Learn with me. Go join the Discord. Go join the Telegram. Ask me questions. Show me your TAs. I would love to see it. I would love to critique it. That's the whole point of this channel, to teach you guys how to do TAs. So don't drop below 37 cents. Was I saying dollars before? I probably was saying dollars. I meant cents. I think I was saying dollars. So get above 50 cents. And your next target over here is 60 cents. That's what we are looking for on the short term. I do believe that to be happening. That's my opinion. That's what I think. Edison, hello. Welcome. Can you explain new cipher? Yeah, we can, dude. We can definitely do that. We're going to move on. Okay, so my guy over here who just dropped $100 super chat on me, which I'm still like kind of shook. Like I'm still kind of really jazzed about it. And it's really hard to focus right now. But man, yeah, getting that camera, that's definitely going to be helping a lot more to be getting that camera. He wanted to look at Oasis? Okay. Oasis. Isn't this what we just looked at though? I'm really curious. Let's go take a look. I just had it. I just had it up there and I took it away because I clicked on it again. Is this what we're looking at over here? Lucas, can you just verify for me real quick what coin we're going to be taking a look at? For NIM? Oasis. I'm gonna look up Oasis, Lucas. I'm gonna see if that's what you're talking about. Oh yeah, look at that. There's one. I literally have one on KuCoin. Is this it? Oasis Network. Wow, this is pretty. Really pretty. Let's just confirm that real quick. Lucas, let me know. Are we taking a look at Oasis? And while we wait for his reply, let's talk to the chat. Just Google search it. Google search it. Okay. You got it, bro. Oasis. See. Open asset swap, interaction, scheme, Oasis. Okay, so that's the coin. It's a blueprint that describes how to make off-chain assets such as USD and Euro stocks, certifications, web, and it's in their website. And web domains and many more behave as if they were tokens on the blockchain. Interesting, really. USD and Euro. I've never heard of it. But I believe we're going to be looking at Oasis here. What's up, Jim? How you doing, bro? Great attitude. You got a great attitude. I love it. Waiting for Lucas. Lucas, just verify for me real quick, brother, if we're going to be looking at Oasis. Should I do it? I think I should. I love that dude, man. All right, we're gonna take a look at Oasis anyways. We did Orchid, Oasis, then we're doing NMR afterwards. Oasis is made up by NMQ. Okay, we'll look at it. Bro, it's the coin, and Oasis is the protocol. Go search in Google. I just did that. But isn't that what we just looked at? I don't want to drag this out because we got some T's that we need to look at. Isn't that what we looked at? Isn't that what this was over here? Yeah, NIMIQ. That's exactly what we looked at. Yeah. Okay. Lucas, do you want me to do it again? We just looked at it. Did it pop up more? Let me know, Lucas. Let me know if you want to take a look at it again. We can definitely take a look at it again if you want to. But for now, is that the same chart? Pretty close. I'm not sure. Oasis Network. That's confusing to me. I'm not understanding that. Okay, we're going to move on. We'll come back to it later. We're going to take a look at NMR, Numeraire, right now. Don't need to look at Oasis Coin. Okay, got it. Thank you. Thank you for clearing that up. I just wanted to make sure, man. Because that was a massive contribution. I want to make sure you guys are satisfied. Okay, here's NMR. Oh, that's right. I found a new chart on NMR. It has way more data. Look at this. Look at all of this data. That's ugly. Get rid of all that. Look at this data on NMR. Gave me a way better perspective. I'm going to start charting over here on NMR. But nevertheless, guys, we're looking at a weekly chart right now. And what are you seeing? Look at this massive W that goes back to August. August of 2020. We're talking months. Months ago. Double bottom. Priming. Ready to go. Looking really good. Looking very good. I've been talking about this coin for a while, and a lot of people are like, meh. And I'm like, no, dude, I'm telling you. When this thing moves, it really moves. Look at its moves that it has. Look at this move. Look at this move. Look at these moves. They're huge. Let's measure them. Can you imagine getting in on this coin and then it pumps 600% or even down here and you go up 232%? That was in those are 4-hour candles, guys. These are 4-hour candles. Massively bullish. Massively bullish. Okay, NMR. This is I believe NMR is it's a protocol for AI. And I think other companies can actually lay this protocol on top of their development. Yeah, is that the area? Yeah, it's right there. That's the swing high, that's the swing low. Yeah. Okay. Currently, what you've done on NMR, we already know the 236 line over here to be a major area of resistance. It was an area of resistance all throughout here. You couldn't quite get above it, but once you did, look what you did. When Bitcoin took its drop over here, you came down and you tested it. You tested it, and that is massive bullish. You're getting the bounce off right now. This is a confirmation. You guys always see when I talk about confirmations, we talk about this N. It's an N. The letter N is the confirmation. You're getting that right now. And you're bouncing between the 382 and the 0.5. 382, 0.5, this is the area that you're bouncing around right now. You're looking to get above that 44 cents. Breaking 44 cents will take you up to 50 cents. And that's testing the 618. Where are we going? What's going on? Let's dig in. Let's find out. Same thing. Look at this negative momentum. Negative momentum, not once, but twice. on your histogram. One right there. You also have another one right there. Upward moving momentum to the upside. When you came down and you tested this massive area of support at the 236, which was $32. I was saying cents. I meant to say dollars. We're talking about dollars here. Double bottom, $32 right there. And you got your bounce, you got your cross, and you started moving up. Pretty big move. That's a lot of gains. We're looking at 30% up from that bottom. You're having this shift. You can see that you were moving kind of downward once you broke out of that downward action. And I believe if we go ahead and this is just for illustration purposes, but look at this trend line that you broke. Resistance, 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 resistance. Once you broke it, you came back for the retest and you're gone. Look at that in. Look at that letter in right there. Boom, boom, boom. That's what you want to see. You get the retest and now you're catching this $38 as support, as $44 as resistance. I do be expect for NMR to break that $44 area before we come up and test $40. Get above, $50. Once you get above, come on, bro. Stop moving the lines around. Let me clean this up a little bit. RSI, you're not overbought, not even a little bit. So much room to the upside. You're ready to pump. You're ready to move to the upside. Once you break $44, you're going to be coming up and testing $50. This is the zone. That's the zone right there. $50 to $56 are going to be huge psychological resistances for Numeraire. But once you break it, you come back and you get that test at the 786. What do we say? You're gone. You're gone. You're going to be shooting up. All-time high over here was at $66. You can expect to double. Do you guys see the potential? You see how all of these other coins have already broke all-time highs and they've already gone up and they've come up and they've hit the 2618 and the 4618. You're early. You were early on NMR. So early. It's not even funny. Break through this area. It'll happen. You watch. Mark my words. We're in a bull run. Let Bitcoin go up. Let Bitcoin consolidate. And we're going to be breaking through. That's going to be the next cycle for alts. Next cycle, I believe that's going to be happening this month. This month for altcoins is massive. March is going to be really massive because within Bitcoin, March is typically a sideways moving month for Bitcoin. Maybe a little bit to the upside, to the sideways movement. If you watch my previous videos, I did talk about how Bitcoin could just start moving sideways or at a slightly up pace. Not pumping, but just moving up slightly. That's good. That's what you want to see. It's huge for alts. Once you break $66, you're coming up $78, $84, $93. And of course, you're going to be having psychological resistance at $100 right there. But once you break $100, we're gone. $130, $137, $225. These are the targets, guys. I have Numeraire. I own Numeraire. I'm looking for $255 from where we are right now. All the way up there, that's 400%. That's why I'm in this coin, because I strongly believe AI is going to be, it's the future. It's already being implemented in your house with Alexa, Google, whatever. Watch Amazon implement this into their blockchain, just like how they did with Ethereum. They're using Ethereum right now within their blockchain on Amazon Web Services. Do you guys know how bullish that is? Do you know how crazy that is that you have one of the biggest companies in the entire world using Ethereum? Using the Ethereum blockchain for their company? Get out of here. That's so crazy. Watch all these Ethereum tokens, all of these coins start pumping and start going up. They start seeing these side projects like this, all these other protocols that lay on top of the Ethereum network, and it's going to explode. So that's what we're looking for. That's NMR. That's what we got. What's up? Hang tight. Plasma currency will break dimensional. I don't know what that is. Plasma. I don't think I've ever heard of that. What's up, Paul? Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Hey, Too Easy. What's up, dude? Yeah, I know. I was saying cents, wasn't I? You're saying dollars. It is in dollars. Yep. So, live stream's been going on for about an hour and 15. Almost an hour and 30. Coming up here pretty soon. I don't want to do these live streams too long. I'm looking at about an hour 45, maybe 2 hours at the max, because I'm telling you, man, my brain gets fried. I get massively fried with doing all these TAs and all this analyticalness. It's crazy to me. What's up, Joe? NMR has nothing to do with Amazon. No, you're right. It has nothing to do with Amazon. But I'm just talking about once these companies start using these blockchains, that eventually that's going to happen. Eventually that will happen. I was talking about Ethereum and Amazon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6. You missed 5 there, buddy. I don't know if you know that. Can you do Frio? I think that says Frio. Yeah, man. Read the description. We are doing $10 minimum contributions. Hey guys, are you enjoying these TAs right now? Hit that like button if you are. It's free. It's completely free to hit the like button. I really appreciate it. We got 39 likes right now. We can get to 50 really quick. I would be super happy with 50 likes. What's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin doing right now? Just doing Bitcoin things. Anything pump? Anything doing really good right now? GRT trying to break $2. Trying to break that $2 area. It's up 9% on the day. We have a new day starting in about 45 minutes, 55 minutes. Printing those new days is really good. Because then when we close those candles, that gives confirmation for wherever the charts are at that time. And then traders start to take positions. Typically, that's what I notice. D the Dawn. GRT. Yeah, man. GRT. GRT to the moon. So Bitcoin, you know what? You know what we don't look at enough on here? Ethereum. I love Ethereum. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm an Ethereum miner. I have an operation here within my home. And I'm super bullish. Super bullish on Ethereum. Okay. It's got problems. It's got a lot of problems right now. Not a little bit. A lot of problems. Gas fees are way too high. Gas fees are stupid high. It's almost as if nobody wants to trade it because the gas fees are super high. I don't even want to move my Ethereum because of the gas fees. I think the other day I saw someone spend $223 on a transaction. So they need to be implementing some kind of proposal. And they have 3 right now. We're talking about EIP 1559, EIP 1057, and then EIP 969. All of these proposals do something a little bit different. But the last 2 that I said, the 1557 and the 669, both of those will be cutting off the ASIC miners off of the blockchain. That's good for me. I use GPUs. So if they cut off all of the ASICs, great. That means I'm going to be making more. If it's a combination, if they do 1559 and one of the other 2 where they take off the ASICs, the 1559 proposal actually is a burn feature in it. And every time a transaction is sent, Ethereum gets burned. Well, you guys know when you start burning Ethereum, you're starting to make the asset more scarce. Much more scarce. So the miners won't be getting rewarded as much Ethereum, but the fact that you're starting to have a burn feature within Ethereum is only going to be pushing up the price. So it's kind of like a give and take. The price is going to go up. The coins are going to be worth more. I won't be getting much as rewards, but overall, I'm going to be making more anyways. I'm not opposed to the proposals. I think they're very much needed. A lot of miners are like, no, screw that. I want to do this for the rest of my life. Well, yeah, I would like to make this amount of money every single day mining on Ethereum, but it's just not practical. And then you have Ethereum 2.0 that's going to be coming out. Ethereum 2.0 is pretty much going to kick all of the miners out, and we're going to be switching from proof of work over to proof of stake. And basically what that means is that Ethereum won't be using GPUs. It won't be using ASIC miners anymore. They're going to start using nodes. And the people who stake their Ethereum, it's a minimum of 32 ETH. That's right. A minimum of 32 ETH. What is that? That's like 50 grand that you have to stake. Then you turn your computer into a node, and now it's a part of the blockchain. Now it's going to have more hashing power, and you're going to be able to do, I think, like 100,000 transactions a second with Ethereum. That's crazy. That's a lot. It's not the best, There's a lot more. There's a lot of different other. But I mean, with the ecosystem and everything that's connected to Ethereum, that's really quick. That's going to improve Ethereum tenfold. No more high gas fees. ETH is going to go to $20,000, I believe, by the end of the year. It has to. There's so many good things happening. Look at this double bottom. Huge double bottom. This is years worth. Back to 2018 that we put in this double bottom. This win formation. We just recently broke all-time highs. And you can see we came back and we got the retest. We got that retest right about John. Where's my... Oh, yeah, there it is. You broke all-time highs. You're coming back for the retest, and you're getting the resumption off right now. That's so bullish. It's massively bullish, guys. What do we say? What do we say when we break all-time highs? Expect to double. Expect to double. It's coming. We had about $1,400, $420, $1,420. Double from there. We're looking at about $2,800 ETH. That's just the minimum. That's just the minimum. We could be going much higher. But if we take a fib on ETH, go from our swing high down to our swing low over here. Like I said, guys, you guys know the fibs. You've been watching this for a while with me. You came back, you get the retest, you had your golden mean ratio over here acting as resistance. Even the 1414 was acting as resistance on Ethereum, and you're getting the bounce right now. I expect ETH to be breaking these. Coming over here to the 1618. When you get past the 1618, which is going to be $2,200, $2,250 about, we're going straight up to 3,500. We're going straight up to 3,500 without a doubt. There's no resistance over there. We're in outer space. We're going to the moon. We're cruising. We're launching. And then next stop over there, $6,250. $6,250 for ETH. Yeah, guys, it's not if, it's when. It really is when that's going to happen. Within no doubt. Hey, we got the 50 likes. Thank you. Yeah. Woohoo. Thanks. We did it. That's it. Okay, live stream's done. All right, see you guys. No, I'm just joking. What's up, long range? Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Justine? Hello? Can you check out? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Wow.
It's a minimum $10 contribution if you want to take a look at a coin. Proof of stake. Yeah, dude. That sounds really good. A ribeye. This actually sounds really good right now. Get that marbling right there. Oh, yeah. English, please. Carl R. Welcome, dude. Hey, good to see you again, man. Thanks for coming by. Really appreciate you dropping by. That's what I'm expecting for Ethereum. That is what I'm expecting. So, where are we at right now? Let's go to 4 hour. What are we doing, Ethereum? Let's go take a look at our MACD. Got to grab those favorite indicators. You really want to stick to a set of indicators when you're charting and only use like 5. Use them consistently, get really good at them. And you don't need 10, 20 indicators. It gets confusing. You don't want to make it hard. Make it simple. Super simple. Look at that. Negative momentum moving to the upside. Looking good, ETH. I love it. Looking good. We had our bullish cross down here. We started to make new highs. We tested that support down here, and we're getting the bounce off. We're getting the bounce off. Bitcoin's going to $66,000. Next stop, $66,000 for Bitcoin. Okay, of course, we got to break through 55, 60 before we can get to 66. But that's what I'm looking for. That's really, you're not even overbought. Not even overbought on ETH. Looking good. I love you, ETH. You're my boy, ETH. How much longer is this live stream going to run? do you want me to... I can get off, dude. I'm sorry. I didn't know. Okay, we can cut it short. Not that much longer. Probably, let's see. We've been in here for an hour and a half. So I'm looking to wrap it up probably within the next 10, 15 minutes. About 10, 15 minutes. If I can probably do a couple more TAs if you guys want. I can do like 2 more TAs. And then after that, we're done. No more contributions after that. Appreciate everyone who has contributed already. I'm going to go look at cameras. Lucas, I'm gonna go look at cameras, dude. Oh man, I'm so excited, dude. I'm gonna get a nice little tripod, and then I'm gonna get. Oh, and then I need a second screen. I definitely need a second screen. I have a second screen right now, but this Dell screen that I have is so old. It looks terrible. And I used to play Counter-Strike Source on it when I was a teenager. I got this as a gift. Actually, it was my sister's. I stole it out of her room because it was like the only 1080p screen, HD screen that we had. And I remember getting CSS, Counter-Strike Source, and it was like HD and all this crap. Like we had moved from the 1.4 Counter-Strike. Did you guys ever play 1.4? Am I that old? I can't be that old. Do you guys remember 1.4 Counter-Strike? Oh my god, dude. I used to go ham. I used to go ham on that game. I think I logged like 5,000 hours on that stupid game. I had no life as a kid. No life as a kid. Well, but yeah, that's what I'm using for my second monitor right now. And that's how I'm looking at the chat. That's how I'm pulling up these memes or whatever. You guys want more memes?
Bruh.
That's how I'm able to do that over here. What's up, Portal? CSS. Yeah, dude. I used to do like jailbreak servers. We owned a jailbreak server, a surfing server. It was dude, it was fun. And I was the admin. I started a group called Infinity. We were the Infinity team, Infinity scrimmage team. And I go back on Counter-Strike. I don't play, but I went to the chat the other day to see who was on, and I still had members in there with the tag on it. Infinity scrimmage team. I couldn't believe it. It was pretty crazy. I played Cali, and I don't know what that is. What is? Oh, he played in Cali. I played in Cal-I. Words, man. Words. I don't know what that is. But so yeah, I definitely want to get a second monitor because 2 monitors is, I mean, as a trader, you need like 3 or 4 so I can do all these things on here. Let's see. What's going on right now? Is this Kyber? Oh yeah. Is this Kyber Network? No, that's not Kyber. That's KNC. KNC. What are you doing, KNC? I'm just curious. I just want to see what it's doing. Because, I mean, it's up 11% on the day. Oh, it broke all-time highs. Oh, that's cool. Nice. What is this parallel channel? What is that? Get out of here. Oh, cool. Looks like you got the... Oh, cool. Wow. That's looking pretty good. I play CSS too. You know, every now and then, when I need to relax my brain, when I'm not taking care of my family, I have a daughter. Don't know if you guys know that. I'm getting my bachelor's. I have the YouTube channel. I do these live streams. I have the mining rigs. I'm pretty busy. I'm pretty busy every single day, all day. And by the time 5 o'clock comes, my brain is fried. I can't do anything. I can't think of anything, and I just need to like numb out for a little bit. What was that? Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. Thanks for the 10 euros, brother. Could you do a TA on stacks? STX. Yeah, dude. You got it. XTX. So yeah, very, very, very busy within my life right now, but I love it. I love it. I don't have a job. This is my job. With everything that I'm doing, it's more than enough. It's more than enough. Well, for now. But I consider myself lucky. Just with my mining rigs right now, I don't have to go work. I can pay my bills, be comfortable, and this is the dream. I want to be in the crypto world. I found out what I wanted to do when I grow up. I found out. This is what I want to do when I grow up. And it feels good. Because to be honest, I was lost for a while. A long while. Didn't know where I was going, what I was doing. Very confusing. It was a very confusing time in my life. My 20s were so confusing. Gosh. I don't even want to think about my 20s. They were just a blur. I played disc golf every single day. All day. 3 rounds. Every single day. It was it was a lot. Anyways, we're here now. Started from the bottom, now we're here. And feels good. I appreciate you guys listening to my life story. I feel like this is more like a therapeutic for me. It's like counseling for me. Is this what we're looking at? Block stack? On stacks. Yeah, I think that's what he's wanting to look at. Let me just pull up a quick Google search. Block stacks. Oh, hey, right now it is in Mountain Time. It is 4:20.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Okay, yeah. So we're looking at block stacks there. I get that pulled up. Hey, Adrian, my guy, dude. Adrian, I don't know if you guys know this, has been with me since like 10 subscribers. Every single video that I posted, he always posted like a thumbs up with like a cool emoji guy with shades on and another thumbs up. Every single video. It never failed. That's hardcore. Hardcore. Okay, I believe this is what we're looking at. We're looking at block stack right now. Yeah, block stack. It's now changed its name to stacks. Stack it up, baby. Stack it up. Okay. Wow, I love this trend that you're on right now. First thing I'm noticing, this right here. Right there. Yep. Don't want to. Is that a channel? Did you break out of the channel? Holy crap. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, man, you're so close. You wanted to do it. That's being respected really well. Yeah, that's being respected really well. Okay, check it out. Check out block stacks, guys. This is very interesting. You had your resistance and then your median for resistance / support, and then support down here. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. It looks like you tried so hard to break out over here above this parallel channel. When you do that, and look, you're getting the shift right now. You tried doing it right there and it said, nope, take a bit of a cool down. Let's go back down. But look at this heart line. Look at this heart line being respected. Support, support, support. Even back here, support, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. You're about to break out of this channel. That is freaking huge, dude. That's really huge. What are we on, a day? Where's this thing going? Oh, look, it wanted to cross and it said no. It was about to cross. It looks like a little duck, right? Some wings. That looks like a duck. That's funny. It wanted to cross. It said no, and it wanted to go up. And look, you're printing a hard green candle bar, hard green bar on your histogram, and it's shifting. That's interesting. You've been overbought over here like crazy, and it just wants to break out. I bet it does it. I'm just going to take a guess and say that it does it. If not, you're probably going to break down and you're going to come down to this median over here, but that's okay. It's not over. It's not over. You could even come down and touch this support and that's okay. That might just take a little bit more time, but nevertheless, this is a beautiful structure. I really like the way it looks. Okay, let's keep this structure, but let's drop the opacity. And just to let you guys know, this is going to be my last TA for the night. I need to go get some dinner. Go get some food. Drop the opacity on that. And let's take a look. Where do you even take? I'm going to take it way back here because this one's going to be way valid. If this one's not valid, let me just test it. Let me just see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's good. But we can get more data out of this, I believe. I believe if we take it from here, that's hard. That's hard. Let's go back to this one. See, this is what you do. You have to see where your lines are with TA. It's not perfect. You got to see what's going on. See how these lines were being respected? Look how we came over here and we touched the golden mean ratio after all this dippage, all that dippage over there. You got rejected at the 618. That's fine. That's good. Looking good. You came up and the golden mean ratio was resistance after that. You came down and wow, you were really being held up by that 0.5 on the Fibonacci as support. Really big support. And we knew that was big support over here because back here, it was resistance. Resistance, 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 resistance. Once what once was resistance now turns into support. Back here, looking good. You had the takeoff. And look, you tried to break the golden mean ratio again. You couldn't do it. And you took a bit of a cool off. Came down and you tested that 886 at 23 cents and then you took off. You were ready. You were ready. Taking its time. Doing a good job. Don't go too fast. Harder you go up, the harder you come down. You got above your golden mean ratio. You even used your 161 or 1618 as support. And look, after you broke the 1618, you came up and almost nearly perfectly hit the 2618 at 61 cents. You hit the 61 cents. You came back down once and twice. You were in some kind of formation. When you broke out of it, you were gone. Looking good. You broke out of the 2618, and then you were coming up, and look, you tested the 2618 as support. Okay, awesome. Go. It did. It went up and hit the 4618 over here. You're at the last Fibonacci, and this is where TA gets kind of hard. I can do a smaller Fibonacci, and I'll show you that in just 1 second. But look, you're having another go at it. You're looking to get above that 1618 over here as resistance. You're being held down right there. You're being held down at $1.20. $1.20. What did you come down here? Did you test? Oh, you're at 1.6 right now. Okay, so that's good. Let's break it down. Let's go to a 1 hour, and I want to see if you were playing with that $1. That $1 area is really good support since you broke it. Where's $1 right here? $1. Yeah, look at that resistance. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You got above it. You could be coming back down to test that $1. Don't be surprised if that happens. But when you do that, you get that test and get that confirmation, you're going up. You're going out. And you're going to be coming over here to 120. Okay, but look, if you do that, remember, let me get the opacity up on here. You break, son of a. Here it is. If you break out of this parallel channel, which you've been in here for a long time, a long time. How long have you been in here? I'm just clicking everything. I'm starting to get tired. September 20th. Yep, that's a lot of months. If you break out of that channel, dude, that's a lot of resistance. Look at this resistance that we're looking at, okay? A lot of resistance right there. If you do that and you get above, you confirm it, you're going to take off, dude. You're probably going to be going to $2. Okay, get rid of everything. And now let's take a look. If you do that, let's grab a fib on the short term. We take that swing high to the swing. Oh, dang it. See, this is the problem with these coins that have taken off. I have no data to the left of me at all. We're in outer space right now. It's gone up like crazy. How much has it gone up since the liquidity crisis? Down here until all the way up here, 2,700%. Not the best performer. Okay, I'll tell you that right now. Not the best. Still, you're making moves. You're going to the upside, looking good. But other coins are doing way better. They're doing way better. Look at these fibs being respected very much so. Your resistance right there is going to be at the 120. But after you break that, now we're looking at psychological resistances. You're above that dollar. You break this last resistance on the Fibonacci, and then, dude, it's like you're in outer space. Next areas of resistance, you're going to be looking at $1.50 and then $2. And that can happen really quickly, dude. That can happen really quickly. Not a lot of data telling me where exactly that's going to go. Looking at the MACD down here, and you did have hidden bullish divergence. It looks like it's trying to play out right now. Hidden bullish divergence right here. Okay, so you have negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. That's bullish. That's really bullish. So negative momentum moving to the to the downside. Hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. You're getting your cross. See my brain? It's starting to shut down on me. See, I'm telling you, 2 hours is like max that I can do. You got your bullish cross, and it's looking really good, man. I think you can start to see breaking. You broke that dollar, and you're going to be coming up and probably breaking 120, and then 140, $2. I'm sorry, 150, and then $2 after that. If not, those are our targets to the upside. What if you don't? That's possible. What if Bitcoin takes a dump, takes a big old fat dump right in the toilet? You're going to be coming back down to the 2618. That's 84 cents. You don't want to do that. You want to stay above $1, dude. It took you so long to break that dollar. That's what traders wanted to see. They want to see these round numbers like that. That's a goal. That is a huge goal. You hit that goal. You broke that goal. Now it's time to come back, test it, and get the resumption off. Hey, hello, hi. Is Kanika? Hello, Kanika. Thanks for coming by. We're just finishing up here. We're taking a look at this last TA, and then I need to take a break. But so yeah, dude, don't go below $1. Do not go below $1. If you do, you're coming back down to 48 cents. After that, 66 cents. You do not want to get below 61 or 66 cents. What are you going to do if you break 66 cents?
Run.
You're done. You're out. Those are the areas of support down below. But man, dude, if you fell down that below, I mean, you're looking at 20% drop. Ouch. And then after that, 37% drop. So it wouldn't be looking good. Stay above $1. You want to stay above. So looking good. Looking good so far. Let me just take a look at one more thing. I want to go to a daily. I always do that. I always get rid of my MACD on accident. Yeah, look, you tried to have your cross and it said nope. Oh yeah, we saw that. We saw that already. We looked at that. That's right. So still looking good. Still looking really good. You're not overbought. Yeah, dude. Stay above $1. Stay above $1 and you'll be looking really good. That's it. That's really all I got for you. Like I said, these charts become really hard to chart when these things start taking off. When they take off like this and they're all the way up here, it's hard. But we had our parallel channel. You want to break that parallel channel. You have your targets. You have your supports. That's it. That's it. I want to hang out with the chat before we take off here. Oh, hey, dude, what's up? Why do you have... That's my Indian friend. Oh, that's your daughter. Okay, nice. You have a daughter too. Aren't kids the best, man? Aren't kids just the best? Make your life just so much better. They fill your life with joy. It's just an amazing experience being a dad. Let's see, we got Michelle, super chat, super sticker, not available in my region. Dang, that sucks. Join the Telegram. Link is down below. Join the Telegram. I can do private TAs for you over there if you request them. I don't do them often because they're very time sensitive. They take up a lot of time to do them, especially just for one person at a time. But the nice thing is everybody in the Telegram gets to see it. Everyone gets to see it. So that's really good. Go, if you can't do that, request it over there and I'll get it for you. Hey, could we get to 60 likes? We got 59 people in here right now. We're starting to slow down. We're gonna start ending this live stream. It's been a really good live stream. Got a lot of coins. Did a lot of coins. I want to thank everyone for coming by. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you guys. I am going to be doing another live stream tomorrow as well. I don't know what time. That's the thing, is I kind of fit it in when I can. But if you join the Discord, I send out an alert. YouTube has a problem with sending out notifications to people. I don't know what the problem is with the bell notification, but YouTube's bell notification sucks. It's terrible. It doesn't work. Why even click it? So if you join the Telegram, you'll have to go through a verification process, which literally it's like do a checkbox and then you're in. That's just to stop spammers and bots coming in. We had a problem with that earlier. But if you join the Telegram, I go to the announcements, and the announcements channel, I post when I go live. And if you get that lot, you'll get it right away because I send it out to everybody. You'll get a ding on your phone if you have the notification set up on your phone, and you'll know right then and there when I'm doing the live stream. I'm thinking about probably tomorrow around 11:30, 12 o'clock Mountain Time. About 12 o'clock Mountain Time is when I'll go live. I have to do the video in the morning for the channel, and then we'll go live afterwards, after that. So my voice sounds so good. Thank you. I appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Thank you. So that's about it for me, guys. Thank you for coming by. This has been a really good live stream. I appreciate everybody for supporting the channel. Lucas, you're the MVP for this whole thing, dude. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be taking a look at some cameras, and yeah, when I get the camera up, it's going to be dedicated to you, my friend. So anyways, my name's Leland, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Oh God, I love memes.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Excuse me? What the air?
Wow.